Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about what I believe is the easiest. What I believe is by far the easiest forex pair to trade. Whether you're a beginning trader or whether you've been trading a long time and you're just frustrated with maybe the pairs that you are trading, the things are just not working out. In this video, I hope to show you what I believe is by far the easiest forex pair to trade. Um, by the way, before we even get into that, what what's your favorite trading pair? What's your favorite trading pair? What do you believe is the easiest forex pair to trade? Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. You can pause the video and you can leave your comment in the comment section below. Then we can see whether we agree with each other or not. I think I would also want to hear what you guys believe are the easiest forex pairs to trade, or what you have found to be the easiest forex pair to trade for yourself. I would like to hear that from you. By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss any future videos. Like the video. If you don't learn one or two things in this video, at least I would have entertained you for a few minutes. So the least that you can do for me is to just go ahead and like the video. If you're looking to download stuff, many people are selling robots out there, indicators and things like that. And if you don't want to buy those things and you just want to download them for free, there are links in the description box below. Visit those blogs and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Everything that we do on this channel is definitely for free. So if you want to find something for free, see the links in the description box below. Many people also ask me about the broker that I use. See the link in the description box below. With just $5, you can open a real life trading account. They are one of the best brokers in the world and have won many awards. So I've been with them for more than 5 years. So that says a lot about their services. Okay, so let's go back to our video. I hope you have written in the comment section below your favorite pair or what you believe is the easiest forex pair to trade. So let's just find out whether I agree with you, or maybe I've got a different idea. So the chart that you are just looking at is actually USDX. Some brokers, they call it USDXY. Some brokers call it dollar index outright, but it's one and the same thing. It's the dollar index. What it does is it measures the strength or the weakness of the dollar. Now, this is going to make sense as we go along. Now, the easiest, by far the easiest forex pair to trade for me, if you don't have anything to trade, trust me, you want to what? To drum roll. What you want to do is you want to trade Euro USD. That's what you want to do. If you are struggling with any other pair, if you are struggling with your trading in forex, and you're thinking, what can I do? What's the easiest thing to be trading out there? Trust me, it's Euro USD. Not only is it the second most traded, it's not the most traded pair, I believe. I was thinking of currency. I was about to say currency. In terms of currency, obviously, the US dollar is the most traded currency, but Euro is the second most traded currency, which makes Euro USD the most traded pair on the planet. So, why is it so easy? Why is it so easy? I'm not going even to go into like the technicals. You can see here how it enjoys to trend and respect levels. What makes it so easy to trade is what? what I mentioned before I went onto this chart, the dollar index. I want you to observe something. Observe something. We are on the dollar index on the daily time frame. That's what we have here. Dollar index daily time frame. Can you see the structure that we have on the dollar index? Can you just pay attention to it? Maybe let's zoom out a bit, like so. Can you see this structure that we have on the dollar index? Let's put Euro USD. Very same structure, but it's just pointing downwards when dollar index is pointing upwards. What does this mean? What it means is you can simply analyze what's happening on the dollar index and you just come to Euro USD and you do the opposite. And you're in the money. As simple as that. No cracking heads, no rain dances, no special chance, no nothing. Just look at what the dollar index is doing and you come to Euro USD and you do the opposite. That's all that you need to do. That's all that you need to do. If you see the dollar index is buying, it means you need to be selling Euro USD. If you see the dollar index is selling, it means you need to be buying on Euro USD. As simple as that. That's what makes it the simplest forex pair to trade. And in terms of volumes, it moves in volume. You don't you can see here I did not even go into like technical things and stuff like that. For example, you know that Euro USD, because this trick of the dollar index also works with several dollar pairs, pairs that have got a dollar in them. It works the same. So let's maybe find USD JPY. You can see around about the same deal with the dollar index, because why? We have the dollar at the start. Any pair that has got the dollar as the second pair will definitely be what? Doing the opposite. But while some of the pairs, like they like to wick, they like to have these funny candles and things like that. If you just take Euro USD, it just like a carbon copy of what's happening on the dollar index. Is just that it's looking the other way. When dollar index is looking up, Euro USD is just what? Looking down. When dollar index is looking down, Euro USD is looking up. You will not make that mistake. Very easy like that. Then you go into levels, then you go into whatever indicator that you are using, whether you are using Fibonacci's, moving average crosses, whatever then you are using. But just get an idea of where the dollar index is going and do the opposite on Euro USD. If you learned one or two things in this video, go ahead and like the video, subscribe. Guys, I'll see you in the next videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Until next time, guys, bye.